don't know, man.
Swirl it around down in there.
I think am I actually crying here?
No.
Or is that sweat? I can't tell.
I don't know, rub your eyes and find out.
I mean, if you're not crying after these 6, we'll go get you 6 more, don't worry.
You will be when you go to the bathroom.
Yeah, like it.
Now you gotta sit there for 5 minutes.
No, I don't.
Oh my
You
god.
alright?
That's not enough.
You alright? You alright, dude? Get something to drink?
Someone open this for me.
The blue cheese is about to fall.
What are you doing? What are you doing, sir?
I need something to drink.
That's in
What are you doing? No! No!
Oh my god.
Is it pickle juice?
That's pickle juice.
Jack, are you
Oh,
alright?
Pickle juice is actually good.
that should be so unacceptable.
I think we killed him.
I got a room in my basement.
Yeah.
And congratulations.
This is going on YouTube, you know that.
Jeff, you're the man.